Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap and Easy DIYs. Make sure you watch my last episode after you watch this episode. For the first project, I'm going to start off by taking this You, Me, and Tea picture frame that I got at Dollar Tree, as well as this nautical rope, and I'm just going to hot glue the nautical rope all the way around the picture frame to give it more of a farmhouse feel. And I'm just going to cut the end off, glue that on, and then once that's all trimmed up and completed, your first simple project will be complete, and this is what it will look like. For the second project, I'm going to take this little wire teapot that I got at Goodwill for $1.91, and I'm going to be taking this moss sheet that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting it into two sections that we're going to be using for the inside of the teapot. So one of the sections, I'm just going to fold that and place that on one side of the teapot, and then I'm going to repeat that for the second side. Now you can use any filling that you would like, but this is what I chose to use for my project. Once I have that all in, this is what it will look like. Now for the handle, I'm going to take some nautical rope, and I'm using my hot glue. I'm just going to hot glue each of the sides of the nautical rope to each of the sides of the little teapot. For the second piece of nautical rope, I'm going to glue that around the rim of the teapot just to finish it off, and I'm going to wrap that all the way around and cut off any excess. And this is what it will look like once you have the nautical rope in place. Now you can go ahead and start filling it in. I'm going to use these spring succulents that I got at Dollar Tree, a purple, a light blue, a light purple, and an orange color. But again, you can fill this with anything that you would like. And I'm just going to take these and then start placing them inside of the little teapot. Once you have all your succulents in place, this is what the second project will look like completed. For this third project, I'm going to take these foam counting squares and I'm just going to start breaking them up, and then you'll just get however many that you're needing to use to spell out your words. And taking this Waverly chalk paint in the color white, I'm just going to coat all of my squares with one coat of paint, and once it dries, this is what they will look like. Next, taking these letter stickers that I got at Dollar Tree, I'm just going to start spelling out the word spring and the word hello. And this is what the third project will look like completed. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which is your favorite. Till next time, hope you have a nice day.